Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanatirth Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parabhani. Today we have to see the science of standard 6th. In this we are in the third chapter. The name of the chapter is classification and diversity in living things. In this chapter, up to the last lecture, we have seen the diversity in plants, structure of a plant, types of root, types of leaves, need of classification. Next, after that, in the classification of trees or plant, there is tree, shrub, herb and vines. After that, annual, biennial and perennial plants. So friends, this is seen we have to in the last video. Today we have to see the information about the some other plant or classification of the plant on the different points. In that point, the main point is flowering and non-flowering plants. So, to which part of the plant are butterflies and insects attract? That is flower. Flower is the most attractive part of the plant. Plant that bears flower are called flowering plant, while the plants that never bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. So on this topic, some plants are flowering and some other are non-flowering. Non-flowering plants may not have organ like root, stem and leaves. See, this is most important point. Non-flowering plants may not have organ like root, stem and leaves. Okay. What type of plants are toadstool and mushroom? What type of plant is a fig? Do ferns, algae, money plant bear flowers? No. Do you know the world's largest flower is found in Indonesia? You can see that flower present in the picture on the screen. This is the left side flower, world largest flower found in Indonesia. The diameter of the flower of the plant Rafflesia arnoldi is about 1 meter. See what a huge shape of that flower. The 1 meter diameter of that flower. The world's smallest flower is of the plant called Wolffia or duckweed. Its diameter is small as 0.5 mm. See, there are two flowers, that is one is largest and second one is the smallest. The diameter of the largest flower is about 1 meter and the diameter of the smallest flower is about 0.5 mm. Can you tell where does the pomegranate shrub grows? Next point. Where does the lotus grows? Where do bulrushes, the railroad creeper grow? Where does the dodder plant grows? Okay, so we see different plants growing in different places around us. Plant can be classified according to their habitat or the place where they grow. Land, water, marshy areas, desert and even a big tree are the various habitats of plants. So friends, all plants are not grow on the land, but some of them are on the water, some of them is in the water. Okay, some plants is in desert, some in snowy region, some in marshy land or areas. See, these are the different areas, and the atmosphere at that place is also different. Okay, but there is a some plants are grow in different regions. They are very different from the other regional plants. Okay, see, in the picture there is a lotus that grows in water, but that can float on the surface of water. But near that lotus there are some plants, some different plants. They float on the water surface, and some merged in the water. See, these are the different plants. See the picture right side, that is a कस्क्युटा, निवडुंग आपण त्याला म्हणतो, आणि हे निवडुंग वाळवंटामध्ये या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. तर अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, these different plants are grow in different areas. In that area they adapt each other, and they get sufficient water, food or daily needs in correct amount. At that time they can live at the specific place. Okay, see here, why does the water hyacinth float on water? Why is the stem of the cuscuta fleshy? What different criteria are used to classify plants? So in on the basis of different points, we can classify the plant. So friends, in the classification we have classified different plants on different points. Okay, so today we will stop here. The next point we have to discuss in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.